I think that you need to drive the cars as they were intended. These cars were meant to be thrashed on. There's nothing better than being in a muscle car with a big V8 that sounds fantastic out the back. My earliest memory about cars was probably my dad, who used to buy cars from time to time at auction, and then when you bring it home and we'd clean it up together, and that was my earliest recollection of really getting involved. And then I started going to auction even before I got my licence and buying cars. My name is Brian Dowell. I have a business, Roadrunner Exhausts, and my passion is cars. My business has been going 25 years. I do every aspect of rebuilding cars: bodywork, mechanical, exhaust, motor trimming. I'm like a one-man production line in a way. The business supports the passion, really. It's become a state of mind or just a lifestyle. I always have one of my cars in the background being built, so I take care of the customers' cars and I make time here and there to build my cars. I approach all the work I do with an attention to detail, turning something that looks terrible to looking beautiful. And that's what really drives me. I love the end result. I love standing back and looking at what I've achieved. I gravitated towards American cars, anything from mid-60s to mid-70s, and I mean all makes. They hardly made a bad-looking car. Just built a Dodge Challenger, which I got it at the right price, and I thought I'd fix it up and sell it. And the reality is, when I got it all together, it just drove really good. I've never had anybody that drives well. I like the engine, the way it shifts, I like how it steers, I like how it rides. It's got a 383 in it, a 727 automatic, got a slapstick floor shift, heaps of power. It goes great for a little 383. From a car that I was going to actually sell, I've decided to keep it. One car that I lusted after was a Plymouth Superbird because they're so unusual in Australia, unusual period really, and one just sort of fell in my lap. So it's a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It's called Petty Blue. It's a 444 barrel automatic. When I got the car, it looked okay, just needed an eye for detail. They were built for NASCAR and they were the first car to tip over 200 miles an hour. So it looks like the race car, but can't drive it anywhere without people looking at it or trying to get your attention to talk to you about it. I think the 68 Roadrunner is right up there. It's a car that turned out really well. It's Sunfire yellow. It's got a 440 motor, Indy heads and intake manifold that's making about 500 horsepower. It's got attitude. I still get a smile on my face every time I drive it.
I'm a cat. I like it like that. I'm a cat. I like it like that.
The cars that I've got in my collection now, I've kept them for a long time for a reason, because I like the way they drive. There's some cars that I couldn't see me selling. I couldn't see me selling the Superbird, my yellow Roadrunner. It's like trying to pick between your children. I've probably owned every car that I've ever really wanted, but my taste is also changing as I'm getting older. So some cars I didn't want years ago, I'm looking for now. I think it's an all-consuming sickness in building cars. I think because you have to be so passionate that it is very overwhelming. I call it a sickness because I can never get enough. And I can't see the end in it. I've still got a bunch of other cars to do yet. The cars just seem to follow me home. I don't know how, but they do.